If you're a man over 50, here's a hard truth. Your testosterone has dropped by nearly 40% since your mid-20s, and that decline affects your energy, stamina, strength, and even erections. But the good news is that you can reverse much of this not with pills, injections, or surgeries, but with just 3 simple exercises that take less than 10 minutes a day. These movements awaken circulation, naturally boost testosterone, and restore the power you might have thought was gone forever. Most men never hear about them, doctors rarely mention them, gyms don't highlight them, but centuries of practice and modern research prove they work. I'm Dr. Helen Carter, men's health and performance coach, and I'm going to guide you through these 3 game-changing exercises that restore vitality, enhance testosterone, and support stronger, longer-lasting erections naturally. As we age, small changes build up. Mornings feel heavier, workouts drain more than they should, and erections aren't as firm or reliable as they once were. This isn't just aging, it's biology. After 50, testosterone drops sharply, blood vessels stiffen, and muscles in the core and pelvis lose tone, and when you add stress, long hours of sitting, and inactivity, the decline accelerates. Many men accept this as normal and turn to quick fixes, but shortcuts only mask the problem while the root cause continues to worsen. The truth is your body still has the power to produce testosterone and send blood exactly where it needs to go. The switch isn't gone, it's just dormant. The key to flipping it back on is movement targeted, precise, and proven. The first exercise is the hip thrust, or glute bridge. Lie on your back with knees bent, press through your heels, lift your hips, squeeze your glutes, and lower with control for 10 to 15 reps over 2 to 3 sets. This strengthens the glutes, pelvic floor, and core, which are essential for circulation and sexual performance, while also stimulating testosterone and growth hormone. Next is the deep squat, or horse stance. Stand with feet wider than shoulder width, toes angled out, lower your body until thighs are nearly parallel. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds at first, gradually increasing to 1 to 2 minutes. This ancient stance builds leg strength, awakens energy, sparks testosterone production, and improves focus and endurance. Finally, the cobra stretch, or upward dog, opens tight hip flexors, improves circulation, reduces stress, and restores flexibility. Just lie face down, press into your hands. Lift your chest while keeping hips grounded, hold 15 to 20 seconds, and repeat 3 to 5 times. When performed together, these 3 movements create a short, powerful routine. Hip thrusts activate circulation, deep squats boost testosterone, and the cobra stretch unlocks flexibility and blood flow. In just 10 to 15 minutes a day, you strengthen, energize, and restore balance in your body, improving not only performance but mood, focus, and overall vitality. The question is simple.